So lots of people have been asking us how Kenny got skinny
and how Kevin got ripped.
And if you'd like to know more, we're going to invite you to our webpage.
That's right. Our website is www.klarhealth.com.
And once you're there, you can click on the link for your free health assessment.
What's better than free? You can't get better than free, and it'll help us understand what your goals are and how we can help you achieve them.
And we're looking forward to connecting with you real soon. Brothers Bistro, out.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it. Yeah, baby!
You're back!
I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev. And we're the Klar brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro. What are we doing tonight, brother?
Baby, tonight we've got some celebrating to do.
What?
We got over 150 subscribers.
Wow, and I heard though, I'm not to interrupt you, but I always like to interrupt you. I heard we got over 1,000 Facebook
That's
followers.
Right. So we're going to celebrate. Kev's going to give you the shirt off his back. Stay tuned. And you're going to get some free merch giveaway. We're going to have a drawing at the end. It's going to be super cool.
But for tonight, we're going to do prime rib and cauliflower mash. We're trying to make, a not quite as healthy meal, a little bit healthier. So your portion size is going to be small, but we're going to show you how to do it super simple, the Brothers Bistro way.
That's right. And if you want it, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notifications, turn on the likes, do all that stuff. We're going to be with you in just a minute with the ingredients.
Whoa!
Yeah, we're back, baby. Look at that.
Wow, look at that. Holy cow. That is
We are not messing around.
We're inviting the whole neighborhood or what?
That's like 12 servings. Yeah.
I asked the butcher for a 3-pounder. He gave me a 5-pounder. It's a little more than I wanted, but we're just going.
We're taking one for the team.
Yeah. So if you want to come over,
come on down. So we're gonna make a rub for this thing. That's the very first thing. It starts with butter. So we had this butter out of the fridge for about 2 hours or so just to soften it up. We're gonna add some rosemary, some thyme, some minced garlic, and our fave, Montreal seasoning.
That's
Montreal,
right.
If you're listening, we're still looking for that endorsement deal.
But tell them how we got the rosemary.
That's right.
Pretty cool.
There's this super cool little scissors. It's got like 4 shears on it, and you just come up alongside the thing and you plug it, and it comes out looking like that. It's amazing.
It's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
To go with that, every prime rib needs your mash, right? But instead of mashed potatoes, we're gonna go with cauliflower rice, and we're gonna mash the cauliflower rice.
Yeah.
So this comes in a nice little packet. You could just put this in the microwave. It's called steamed fresh. But we're gonna have 3 or 4 of these in a pan. We're gonna soften it up. We're gonna use a little bit of chicken broth or something else, but we're gonna make it all smooth and soft like mashed potatoes. And then we're gonna make a gravy to go with it. Brother.
Right. We're going to use the drippings from the prime rib. That's the primary ingredient.
That's right. And we're going to use this beef bouillon cubes that goes in a couple cups of water, a little bit of flour to thicken it up. So then we're going to have our prime rib.
And garlic mashed with a little gravy.
That's it's going to be really good. So stick around. We're going to be right back. We're going to show you what this looks like before it goes in the oven so you get a good sense.
Kev's going to do the rub.
Yep. And Ken's going to do the rice. And we'll be right back. Wow, holy cow, look at that cake.
It turned out good. So here's what I did. I took a glass bowl,
right,
and I put that softened butter in there, and I mashed it down with a spoon.
All right.
And then I poured all the ingredients on top, and I just stirred it around good. I actually could have used that Hamilton Beach, that Hamilton Beach that we used last time.
Little blender?
Yeah, I could have used a little blender. It was pretty stiff still. It was
and I've got the the cauliflower rice. I got to put the cauliflower rice in a pan. It's on the stove there with a little bit of chicken broth.
But you can see here, we really just like iced it, just like a cake.
Yeah, totally.
Right? And we didn't do any underside. We could have, if we kind of ran out. I mean, I kind of put it in a little thick. And we could have done more on the back, but that's where the bone is. So we decided not to do that because that's not going to
we're good.
Gonna run off.
Remember, a lot of this is going to run off. It's just going to brown it. So we're going to get this in the oven for 30 minutes at 500. Right? It's 5 minutes a pound. So 25 minutes, actually.
Wow.
And then we're going to let it rest or stand for 2 hours.
2 hours. So it's a little bit of a thing where you want to start it early in the day.
Yeah.
And because it's going to take 3 hours.
We're going to be eating at midnight.
Yeah.
But hang in there with us. We'll be
show
right
you
back.
what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. It's going to be super yummy.
Yep.
Stay tuned.
Did you hear that? Oh, I think our prime rib's done.
It's totally done.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it out.
Yeah.
Hang tight right here.
I'm gonna stay right here. You go into the fire because that's what we count on you firemen for.
coming out. Tell me what you think.
Woo! That looks
Right there, just so people can see.
wow, that looks good, baby.
Wow. Okay.
So move that over there, and then we'll put the prime rib here.
Okay.
Can we?
So let's do this.
Can we get it?
Change it over.
Okay.
So we
good.
got a place
so
to slice
I'm gonna move
it.
this over a little bit because we're all focused on gravy right now. This is still cooking a little bit by itself. We're gonna try and get that top off, and we're gonna put that gravy in here in this little pot here.
Okay.
We've got a little mixture of flour and water we've been kind of working on. It was 2 tablespoons of flour.
Yeah, and
a little bit of water.
a cup of water.
A cup of water.
So
Okay.
we're gonna put the
So we're gonna pour the
drippings
into this saucepan.
So Ken's gonna get his
Do it?
little. Where's your little thing?
Oh, I got it right here. You're
gonna help me out, help a brother out. We're gonna get it all, because you know the stuff on the bottom of this thing is the best. Flavor saver.
It's like painting, kind of. You just gotta keep scraping a little bit, and we're gonna strain it when it's done, so we don't get any of this burnt stuff in there. But we're trying to get all of the flavor in there. Okay.
Okay, so we got that pretty good here. Put that on there. I think we're good. And then
All
we're
right.
gonna add.
Now we're gonna add in this flour water mixture. Just pour that in there.
We'll mix that up a little bit. It's already looking
And
better.
then we're gonna pour in. This is the bouillon that we started with.
So this lightens up the color and it will allow it to thicken. And then Ken's gonna mix up and kind of pour in the bouillon that we had all mixed. And then I'm gonna take it to the stove and I'm gonna let it heat and thicken.
Yeah, and then we're gonna cut this bad boy up and we're gonna plate it, and we should be good to go.
So when we come back to you, we'll show you the final. But basically, we got the gravy in here, we got the prime rib there, and we got our cauliflower rice,
It's on the stove.
our mashed rice
Yeah.
on the stove. So we'll have it all ready to go for you. Wow!
How's it look?
Look at that prime rib! Holy cow!
It's not quite 12 servings that we thought it was going to be, but it's because this little section over here is all bone.
Okay, and then there's some fat, right?
So we got a couple of servings and a couple of 3, 4, 5 more.
Right. But that looks like a pretty good size. Look, Mom, we made gravy.
That's right.
We put the gravy on our cauliflower rice or mash.
But we forgot to cheese it.
Oh yeah. Where's our hat? But it's got our merch in it. So we
gotta cheese it up.
All right, here we go. We're cheesing it up.
You're not supposed to show your calf muscle like that, or your forearm.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
All right. So we got a merch to give away because you got your Brothers Bistro shirt on.
The shirt off my back. If
here
it's dirty, don't blame me.
We didn't have very many participants, but that just means more chances to win.
That's right. Bill, this is for you.
That's right. Reach in there.
Oh, there's so many. I got it.
Who
This
is it?
the winner.
Who is it?
Donna Earl.
Woo!
All right, Donna, so you can choose. We have a mug, we have a mask,
a hat,
a mask, and a shirt. But I mean, these are the ones that we made because you might not want the large shirt. But I would give you the shirt off my back if you wanted it.
Let's do it. Awesome. I'm happy to give you the shirt off of his back.
Yeah, that's right.
All right.
Brothers Bistro out.